A flashing StabiliTrak light on your Chevy Tahoe often indicates a steering angle sensor issue. Cleaning this important sensor is a straightforward process that can fix this annoying dashboard warning. You can safely handle this repair at home without visiting any expensive professional dealership garage. First, you must safely disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any accidental airbag deployment. Next, carefully remove the lower steering column covers by unscrewing the hidden plastic retaining bolts. Keep your steering wheel perfectly straight during this entire process to maintain proper sensor alignment. Locate the steering angle sensor positioned near the very base of your main steering column. Gently unplug the electrical connector attached to the sensor before attempting any physical component removal. Carefully unclip the housing to expose the delicate internal optical disc and the reading mechanism. Use a high-quality electronic contact cleaner to gently spray the internal components very thoroughly. Take a soft microfiber cloth and carefully wipe away any visible dust or lingering debris. Never use harsh chemical solvents because they will quickly destroy the sensitive optical reader disc. Allow everything to completely air dry before you attempt to reassemble the sensor housing unit. Snap the protective plastic cover securely back into its original factory position on the column. Reconnect the main electrical wiring harness, making sure it clicks firmly inside the sensor plug. Put the steering column covers back together and tightly fasten all the retaining plastic bolts. Finally, reconnect your negative battery cable and carefully start the vehicle to test the repair. Turn the steering wheel fully left and right to properly recalibrate the newly cleaned sensor.